Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So obviously I follow a lot of makeup artists over on Instagram, and I've been noticing a lot of people doing this like trendish kind of thing where they make the eyeshadow really bold towards one area and then blend it outward. So I wanted to try that today and put my own spin on it. So if you want to know how I created this Galaxy drip, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm going to start off with the eyes today. So first I'm going to prime using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and my M173 brush. First, I'm going to dip into Delicious from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette on a Morphe M124 brush and begin making the shape of our eye look. Now I'm going to take the shade Soaked and blend that into Delicious. Now on an M152 brush, I'm going to pick up the shades Great Minds from the Morphe 39S palette and blend that into Soaked. Now on that same brush, I'm going to blend in Very Good with Great Minds. Now on a Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to go back into the Jawbreaker palette and pick up Bubblegum and blend that in on the edges. Now I'm going to take Good Morning and then lastly Virgin just to blend those into my skin. Now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and I'll be right back. I finished the eyes and I think they're really cool. So now let's start on the face. First I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for some of my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick. I look so scary. I'm going to blend this out with my Morphe M439 brush. Now I'm going to conceal the highest points of my face using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Going to blend this out with my Morphe M173 brush. Now I'm going to set where we concealed with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade 05 on my Morphe E48 brush. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe M527 brush and my Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Alright, now I'm going to zoom you in so we can get started on the drips. So much like how I did the eyes, I'm just going to take my flat brush and make a C shape with a darker shadow and then eventually blend that into other Galaxy colors and then going back into my skin. So I'm going to start off with Delicious again from the same Jawbreaker palette on my Morphe M124 brush. I'm going to switch to the Morphe 39S palette and pick up the shade Make It Rain to make another curve close to my nose, as well as outside of these Delicious ones. Now I'm going to take the shade Why Not and add a C-shaped close to my eye up here with that same flat brush. Going to take Very Good on a Morphe M152 brush and blend that into Why Not. Now I'm going to dip into the Morphe X James Charles palette and blend Skip into Very Good. Now taking a M441 brush, I'm going to take the shades Good Morning and Virgin from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette and blend those into Skip. So I'm just going to do this. I'm not going to really talk anymore because it's just the same thing over and over again. So yeah, enjoy! Now I'm taking Playground from the Morphe X James Charles palette for the blues. Now I'm going to take Brain Freeze again for the blues. Alright, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this. I ended up making these squiggles kind of like 3D-ish looking, so this side doesn't look as good, but it's fine. So I'm going to take my BH White Concealer and some nail dotting tools and make some stars, kind of like a gradient going down my face. Going to lightly contour my nose and my temples using my Morphe E4 brush on my Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Going to highlight my nose, cupid's bow, and temples using Starburst from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit on my Morphe M501 brush. Going to mix in a little bit of gumdrop as well. For lips, I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Blue Velvet, but first I'm going to line them using the NYX lip liner in the shade Boozy Brunch. On the center of my lips, I'm going to lightly tap Breakfast at Tiffany's by Jeffree Star. Here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe, hit that little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!